Hello everyone, this video is here to tell you how to make a Wikipedia page. The first step is to make sure you have an account, as you can't create a new article without one. If you already have an account created, press login. It is also wise to search if the page already exists. If it doesn't exist, you can continue on to make the page. If it does, you can see if the information is relevant and edit it if it's needed. The easiest way to make a page is by entering the URL in your browser address bar. Type in wikipedia.org/wiki/the name of the article you wish to create. For this video, it is Fire Breathing Dragon. Click on the link saying start the article and you are off. One thing you must remember is that you can't copy and paste any information from a source. This is very important as it is a violation of copyright and the page will be deleted. For the purposes of this video, we are using Word as Wikipedia does not have spell check. Wikipedia has the option to change the formatting. The most commonly used is italics and bold. Bold is usually used the first time the name of your article is mentioned. To make it bold, use 3 apostrophes either side. Italics are used for the name of books, movies, albums, etc. To make a word in italics, use 2 apostrophes either side of your word. Yeah, that's good. If there are more than 2 clear topics, headings and subtitles will be useful. To add them, you must use 2 equal signs either side of the word. Linking is very important as it shows the reader how to find out more information if they want to know. It's very easy to link. All you have to do is put the word in double square brackets. For example, bracket, bracket, dragon, bracket, bracket. If there is specific text in a different article that you want to direct your readers to, you add the pipe, which is shift and backslash, and the specific header you want to skip to. For example, square bracket, bracket, dragon, pipe, European dragon, square bracket, square bracket. First, make a reference page. To add your first footnote, go to where you want it to be placed. Add the link, and on either side, add a open triangle, the word ref, close the triangle, and on the closing reference, add a slash. It is always useful to add as much information as you can in the reference. For example, add the author, date and page, book, or article if you can. For it to show in the reference page, use 2 curvy brackets either side of the word ref list. This will bring up the reference automatically. Always make sure to press the Show Preview icon. You may realise mistakes have been made and you need to go back and amend them. This is better to do it when it hasn't been published rather than find it out once the page has already been published. You now have your page set up. However, you can't edit. Every article on Wikipedia should be in at least one or more categories. One way of doing this is to go to the bottom of your page and go to the Add category. To add a category, click the plus icon, and as you start typing, the available categories will be shown. Once you have selected your categories, press Save Page. There are several factors that could prevent your article from being published on Wikipedia. The main thing is to make sure that there is a level of neutrality, meaning you can't write anything about yourself, your company or organization, a friend, your band or website, or any campaigns that are run by you. Thanks for listening.